Got my coffee, going for a morning walk. Getting the garden ready.
What? Take this garden very seriously.
Making a wish?
Yep. That's one. I'm done. Okay, ready. What I found.
Neat. Somebody's got a bottom lip. So why film all of this? I know from your perspective, all you can see is a girl randomly filming her walk with her two kids and a friend. But the thing is, it's just an example of gratitude, okay? It's raining today. It's raining, and yet we're home for spring break. So we can look at it as, okay, that's a bit of a challenge, or you can look at it as an opportunity and go, well, I'm gonna put on a sweater and a hood and I'm gonna get out in nature because we're so full of gratitude. We are grateful to live in a place like this, okay? Look behind me. Look at this greenery. You saw the river, you saw the bridge, you saw that we have a trail really close to home. We are so lucky, okay? I am filled with nothing but gratitude. I don't care that it's raining, it's spring break, my kids are home, one of them has a friend over. We're just gonna enjoy our day. I remember back when, if it was a rainy day, we stayed in no matter what, and everyone was plugged into an electronic of some kind. And now look at us, okay? We're out in nature, and we're full of gratitude. So I want you to sit and think for a second, what do I have close by to be grateful for? What could I be doing other than plugging myself in, or whatever it is that you have a habit of that may not necessarily be too healthy for you or your family or your, whoever. I think it's really important that if you want good things to happen in your life, you've got to be full of gratitude first, so that when those things come into your life, you're grateful to have those things, okay? So start by whatever's closest to home. We are grateful to live where there's beautiful nature right out our back door. That's really cool. So again, I don't care that it's raining. We're out here, we're having fun, and we are full of gratitude. So go out and have yourself a great day and get full of gratitude. That's it. Happy second day of spring. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye. Hey, everybody. What are you grateful for? Lexa, you want to go first? Since you're our guest. Thank you.
I have to think of 2 things.
Does anybody already know off the top of their head something they're grateful for?
Yep.
Okay, Cadence.
Nature.
Nature. Good one. Okay. you know what you're grateful for, bud? Yeah. Hey, bud, do you know what you're grateful for? Huh?
Yeah.
What is it?
For video games.
Video games. Oh my goodness.
I'm grateful for shelter.
Pardon?
For shelter.
Shelter's a good one too. Well, there you go, guys. Gratitude at its best. One for nature, one for video games, and one for shelter. The world from the view of a child.